Hello and welcome to EBANQ. In this video tutorial, we will talk about the system emails. Let's go to the EBANQ demo, sign in as an administrator, and go to Settings and System Email. In this section, when the settings are configured, system emails are sent automatically to notify users and administrators about various updates. Let's have a look at the Common Settings tab and what configurations you can set up here. You can set up the system email from name. This can be your organization's name. And this is a system administrator name for users for all outgoing emails. You can set up the email from address. And this is the system administrator address for users for all the outgoing emails. You can add your organization's logo, like so. And in the mail signature box, you can add your signature, which will be automatically added to all the outgoing emails. Smtp Settings ensure that the system email notifications are sent and received optimally. It is advisable to use a dedicated email account and enter those SMTP credentials here. These email account credentials could be for any third-party mail service such as Gmail or Mailgun. Make sure to select Enabled to use SMTP settings to send system emails. Type in SMTP server address here, add SMTP username and port, and set the SMTP password. Then click on Save Configuration once you're happy with all the changes in order to apply them. These settings can be tested in the Send Test Email section of the page. Here, simply enter an email address into the test email address field and click the Send button. If the configurations are valid, you will receive a test email to the email address you entered in the test field. Let's have a look now at the End User Notifications tab. Here you will find a list of various notifications for a specified event or action. Enable the desired notifications by clicking the checkbox or disable to ensure users will receive relevant emails. To modify the subject and content of the email, simply click on the name of a notification and make the necessary changes. Note that tokens can be added both in the subject and in the content of an email, and the full list of tokens is available under the Notification Tokens tab. Let's have a look now at the administrator notifications. They're very similar to end user notifications. You will find a list of all emails that you can send to the administrator, and you can enable or disable the desired ones by checking or unchecking these boxes. You can also modify the subject and the content of an email by just simply clicking on the title of a notification, and then remember to save the necessary configuration. Last but not least is the Notifications Tokens tab. This is the list of available tokens for the subject and content fields for user and administrator notifications. And this page is for information purposes only. As you can see, you cannot modify it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.